guys, this is Rani, and you are watching How to Make Friends in Korea. This video is helpful for 1. Foreigners who wants to meet new people, or 2. Koreans who wants to make global buddies. I see more and more people who comes to Korea or wants to come here. However, Korea is not that easy to make new friends. I see quite a few people struggling or having a very hard time getting used to this country, feeling very lonely. But as a Korean who speak English that met a lot of friends from different countries in Korea, I can definitely help you go through this. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to know more about my daily life, check out my Instagram.
Okay, let's go.
Using apps to meet new people is a very common way. I can't believe how technology went so far. Like, you don't have to make pen pals. You can send messages to whomever you want. So I'm going to introduce you 3 major apps for language exchange. The first one is HelloTalk. HelloTalk is an app that has a lot of functions. In Trend, you can write your own story or comment and like other stories. It's basically like Twitter, but it's like a language exchange version. And there's chatting where you can enjoy a one-by-one chat service. And you can see profiles of people who wants to learn your first language. You can also have a call, but the amount is limited, so you have to get a membership to have unlimited calls. There's also a learning page, so you can learn various languages. HelloTalk is good for people who already know their languages but wants to improve. It is more focused on language, not meeting new people. I'm not saying that you can't, because my friend actually met a person from HelloTalk after talking for a long time. If you want to be fluent in Korean and meet new people, this is the app for you. Plus, there is a close to you page where you can see the top few comments for free. The second one is Tandem. In Community, you can see other people's profile who wants to learn your first language. It's same as HelloTalk. And if you start the conversation, it goes to chatting. You can also call for unlimited time and amount. I never used this feature, but there's a party section where you can join their rooms and talk with them. It's like Clubhouse, but language exchange. When I used Tandem, I could make friends, and I actually met one person. We became a really close friend, and thanks to her, I met a lot of international friends. Shout out to Nolan! But the thing is, you can't choose to have a conversation with people who are close to you. So you have to actually search for them. And number 3 is Meef. Meef is specialized in meetings, so I think this is a good application for you guys. Meef has a swipe section, and if you approve or get approval, you can have a one-by-one chatting. Meeting and hanging out is a lot easier in this app because you can choose the age and location to how close you want it to be. This app looks like a dating app. So there are a lot of people who actually wants to date or like hook up. If you don't want them, then just show it in your profile. Like no friends with benefits, no pervs, no dates. Also, there were sexual crimes that happened from this app, so I personally recommend you to not go alone when you meet someone, but with a friend. There's also Bumble, but it's more like a dating app. There's a BFF section, but you can only meet in the same gender. If you want to know more about these apps, or if you want to share your experience, please leave your comment below. The next one is typically for exchange students. Number 2, buddy program. Each school sends an email usually to inform you about the buddy program. You will be matched with a random Korean buddy who goes to your school, and you just having fun and enjoy. By the buddy program, you can meet other exchange students from your school, and you can also get to know your Korean buddy. Here's a quick tip. If the buddy doesn't participate, you can call the international office or whichever office that offers the buddy program to change your buddy. Also, if there's no buddy program in your school, you can also ask the school's office to match some Korean friends. I have participated in Hanyang University's buddy program, which is Hi Buddy. I had a really good time with them. We We got to know each other, we drank a lot, we talked a lot, like we took a lot of pictures. It was so much fun. And we kind of still keep in touch. Like we see each other's Instagrams, like we comment on them, we chat on Kakao Talk. So if you're a Korean student watching this, please try this just once and it'll be so fun. Last but not least is number 3, language exchange cafes and parties. They are usually located in Hongdae or Sinchon. There might be a lot of language exchange programs, but the one I saw are Japanese and English. So usually you set a time and you meet with like random people who wants to learn Korean or meet new friends. The one that I went and I personally recommend is LEP, which is Language Exchange Party. It is usually located in Sinchon and you go to a pub, you drink, and you talk with 1 hour and then exchange seats so that you can meet a lot of new people in one day. Quite a lot of people were there and I also saw a lot of Koreans. It has a very casual atmosphere. It feels better because you actually get to know them in real life. So these were a few of my tips of how to make friends in Korea. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to see more videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye!